So this is a situation that we come across a lot with walleye fishing. We're in the open water and we're out here in deeper water than obviously what we'd be for walleyes. But the thing that I really want to key in is the use of my electronics, so we can put us in a situation where we can get as many of these salmon to bite as possible. And one of the things that you're going to see out on Lake Michigan when you're fishing for these salmon is a thermocline. You can actually see right here it's around 40 feet. It's actually pretty deep. It's about 10 foot in depth. And what happens in setups like that is the bait typically likes the warmer water. So they're gonna be just above or maybe a couple feet above that thermocline. Now these big kings like cooler water. So they may be sitting right by the thermocline or even below it. Now, not just sonar, obviously being able to see the fish, make sure you're around fish is important. But when you start catching fish, definitely couple that sonar with your GPS and lay waypoints down where you're finding active pods. You might make 1.5 mile, 2 mile long pass and mark fish the whole way. But if they're eating in a simple, small area, definitely try to make shorter passes, especially if it's calm and you can turn around on them to stay on those active fish. So watch your sonar, use your GPS, come on out, have a lot of fun reeling in these salmon on Lake Michigan.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.